Here we have a SAT math problem. Okay, let's go to the question. A baseball coach charges each athlete $150 for the first month and $95 for each additional month. Which of the following functions correctly represents a total revenue R of M in dollars for M months and N athletes, where M and N are positive integers? Okay, let me draw a line segment over here and mark 3 points on the line segment. That is A, and here B, and here C. And let's consider the length of the complete line segment AC. And let's say the length of the complete line segment AC represents the given number of months, that is M months. So that is the length of this line segment AC is M, that is M months. And let's say the length of this line segment AB is 1. 1 means it represents the first month. Let me write it over here. And what is the length of this line segment BC? We know that the length of the line segment AC is M and the length of this line segment AB is 1. Now to get the length of this line segment BC, we have to subtract this 1 from the length of the line segment AC, that is M. Then we get M negative 1. Okay, here this AB represents the first month and this BC represents the additional months, that is M negative 1 months. And there is an information, the coach charges $150 for the first month for each athlete. Okay, let me write over here. It charges $150 for the first month for each athlete. We know that there are n number of athletes. Okay, for one athlete is charging $150. Then how much will he charge for n number of athletes? We have to multiply the amount he is charging for one athlete by the number of athletes n. Then we get 150 times n. So this is the amount is charging for the first month for n number of athletes. And there is an information, the coach charges $95 for each additional month for one athlete. Okay, let me write this stuff over here. So for each additional month is charging $95 for one athlete. We know that there are n number of athletes. Then how much money will he be charging for n number of athletes? We have to multiply the amount is charging for one athlete by the number of athletes. Then we get 95 yen. So this is the amount is charging for n number of athletes for one additional month. But we have m negative 1 number of additional months. So to get the amount for this m negative 1 number of additional months, we have to multiply the amount is charging for one additional month for n athletes by the number of months. Then we get 95 times n times m negative 1. Okay, here I got the amount is charging for n number of athletes for the first month, that is 150 times n. And the amount is charging for addition m negative 1 number of additional months for n athletes, that is 95 times n times m negative 1. When we add them, we get the total revenue, that is R of m. Okay, now let's do some simplification over here. That is R of m equals to 150 times n positive. We can distribute this 95 n to this m, then I'm getting 95 times m times n, positive times negative is a negative, and 95 n times 1 is 95 n. Okay, here R of m equals to, we can write this one at first, that is a 95 mn. When I combine positive 150 n and negative 95 n, I am getting positive 55 n. Okay, here I got the function which gives a total revenue. I find this function in answer choice C. The correct answer choice for this question is C.